Hi everyone, this is Salim Kasmani here once again in YouTube channel. In today's session we are going to learn how to record macro and what are the options we have to record macro. Basically there are three options. In Microsoft Excel, bottom left you will see ready. Beside that ready, actually that bar is called a status bar. On that status bar you will see one small macro tab. If it is not available, I will explain to you in this video how to bring that tab. Second option is view, on top menu. When you click menu you will find it right side macro. And the third one is developer. Mostly the developer is not reflected at the first time when you open the worksheet or Excel. So in this video I will explain how to bring that developer in your menu bar. So before I start, I want to remind you, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you really like it, give me thumbs up, and please do not forget to share this video. Maybe it might not be important for you, but it can be useful for someone else. So please share as much as you can. So let's start. Okay, in Excel sheet there are three options for macro tab. One is bottom left near to ready. It is called status bar. Now it cannot be seen. Just right click and click macro recording. It will reflect. Here it is. Now you can see it. Next is on top there is a menu. In that menu you can see the view option. You go to view, click, right side you see macro, view macro, record macro. These are the two options. And lastly developer. Right now it can be seen because I had shown it already. I had made the setting. So these are the options. I will remove this developer and I will explain to you how to bring this macro developer back. I will go file, option, customize ribbon. I will uncheck developer and I will press OK. So right now you cannot see. Now I will explain to you how to bring it back. Same exercise. File, option, then I will go for customize ribbon and I will check the developer and I will say OK. This is how you get the three options. So there are totally three. One bottom left on status bar, here it is, and secondly view, and third is developer. That's it. Here is one table, very small table. In this there are numbers and date. I have a column, date, quantity, kilogram, total bill, commission and total paid. I will record a macro here to format the numbers in 2 decimal, fixed 2 decimal. And also we will record a macro for this particular area, single decimal. This is one of the example I will show it to you. Then I will show you another example. How we record the macro. Let me tell you one thing. There are three macro tab here. One here, one in the view, and one in developer. Before we start the macro, make sure what you are doing it and place your cursor exactly at the right place here. So for example, if I want to do it here, I will place it here. After that, once I start recording, I should not scroll like this. It's not correct. It will do the same thing what you are doing the action. So I am placing the cursor here. Then I go to the record tab. I click record. I give the name here. Format values double digit. I will not give this control short key. I will explain to you how to edit macro, and in case if you forget, how to add control key. I will add the description also. Format values fixed double digit. Once I press OK, the macro will start. I press OK. So I want to format here. I will go home. I will go to general. More number to format. I'll select number. This is 2 digit. OK. I want this separator and I want this style. So I'll press it OK. Once I press it OK, immediately I should stop it unless you have to do any other action. Okay, the macro is recorded, still recording. I will stop it here. Now how to view the macro? We go to view. Right side there is a macro. View macro. Here it is. If you want to edit, this is the Visual Basic command. The green part is only a description. The black part is executable. The black part is the running command, executable command. So I'll close now this one. I'll go to again Excel sheet. I will test it whether it's working fine or not. Let's try test here. View macro, run. So it's working fine. Now I will give the shortcut key as I said earlier. I will explain to you how to give the shortcut key. It can be given simultaneously or it can be added. Now already we have one macro. So I will go to view macro. Here you have an option. Select the macro, click option. As I had decided, I will give D for double digit. So I will give D for 2 decimal. I will say OK. That's it. I will close this box. Now I will try to run again here, somewhere here. I will see whether it's working or not. I will press Ctrl D. Here you can see here now. I will press Ctrl D. Ctrl D. So it's working fine. Now one more macro I will add it, as I said, for single digit. So I will go here first. I will again go to the macro tab. I can record from here also. Let me show it to you from here. View macro, record macro. I'll give the name. I prefer to give the name meaningful. It's better. values single digit. I'll give the description, format values single digit, and this time I will give control O. So I don't need to edit again. I am giving it same time because I had decided I want to give this. And please note, better to note your shortcut key somewhere in the workbook not to forget. Then press OK. Now the macro started. I'll go home, general, more number format, then I go to number, I will make it single digit, I will make this style, separator, and I want this format. That's it. I'll make it OK. Now I'll stop my macro. So the macro is stopped. Now first I will show you manually how it's running or not. We'll check it. We'll go to view, macro, view macro. See, there are two. One is single digit and one is double digit. So we will run first double digit. Oh, it's working fine. Now again view macro, single digit. So it's working fine. Now what I will do is I will run with shortcut key. With the help of shortcut key, I will highlight this area because I want this area to be a double digit and this area to be a single digit. So I highlight this area. I'll press Ctrl D. Wow, it's working fine. Now I will highlight this area and I will press Ctrl O. So it's working fine. It's very simple. I hope I'm not going very fast. Now I will explain to you the second example. I have one worksheet over here. This is the worksheet I have it. In this there is a column date, quantity, kilogram, total bill, commission, total paid, name. Now in this what I will do, I will make one macro, and in that macro I will sort by name and by date. At the same time I will format this value with 2 digit and format this value, this area with single digit. So let's see. What I will do is I will place the cursor. No, in this time I will not do like this because I want to sort. I need to highlight the area. I will click tab. Okay, this time I am not giving the name. I will just let it be as a macro 3, but I will give the shortcut key. One minute. I will give the shortcut key A. So Control A will be the shortcut key for this macro. I will leave this all area like this way and I will start now. So I will start my macro. I say OK. Now the macro is started. What is our first format? I will go data, sort. I will select name, add label. Again date. So I have two fields to sort, name and date. Primary is name, secondary is date. I say OK. So it's sorted already. Now second, I will highlight the area where I want double digit. So I will highlight this area, the whole area. I'll right click, format cell, number. I want 2 digits, it's okay, this one. I'll select this and I will select this. I'll say OK. So it's working fine. Now for single digit I will highlight this area. right click, format cell, number, single digit, same, and this format I want. I'll say OK, and immediately I will stop the macro. So macro is ready now. We'll check it whether macro is recorded or not. View macro, view macro. So there is a macro 3. I will not run manually, I will run directly with the help of shortcut key. First, what I will do is, I will make this table as it was before. For that, I need to do right click, sort, jumble, and then also the values I will make it as it was before, general. Right click, format cell, number, no, not number, general. Okay. Now keep your eyes on table. I will press Ctrl A. See what happened. Here I go, Ctrl A. So the macro is running very good. I hope you understand and I explain well. So it's very simple. That's it. Now this is what we learn about macro recording. How you will save it. For that you have to go to File, Save As. Remember, this macro cannot be saved in normal workbook like Excel workbook XLSX. It has to be saved in Excel macro enabled workbook XLSM. So you should save it in XLSM. This is how you save it. Otherwise, if you try to save it in normal Excel workbook, it will delete all your macro. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any comments, maybe I am wrong, I am right, maybe I am slow, I am fast, please send me the comments. I will really appreciate. And if you really like it, please give me thumbs up, and do not forget to share my video as much as you can, and please subscribe my channel for future update. Thank you. Have a nice time. Stay safe. Stay home.